What is going on? I have not really done this before, but today we're gonna clean out my air filter. It's a mess. Went to AutoZone today and got some good old air filter cleaner and some oil. So I'm gonna take this cob off and get to work, huh? Let's see. Oh man. 16 mess. So I got the cleaner on there. Now we gotta get this mass airflow sensor out and clean this while that's sitting with the cleaner on it. And then yeah, get all this dried up, get the air filter oiled up, put this all back together. So oh, perfect.
That's what she said.
Michael, please.
Here he is.
That's airflow. Got to clean inside there. This spray. They suck. Random thought. Is it just me or are the Suns the Chargers of the NBA? Think about that. I'm gonna let you sit on that. All right, gotta let this mass airflow sensor sit. Gotta let that air filter sit a little more. Check this out. Not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. It could be cleaner, but she all right. She ain't bad for the 2010. I'm hoping to get out tomorrow to Lee Canyon, so we'll see. My mouth has been bothering me. For those of you that don't know, I had a mouth surgery on the 1st of May, so I've been out. I haven't been doing anything. I got 2 wisdom teeth and a molar pulled, and then they did some bone grafting. So the bone grafting is still healing up. I still have stitches in there. So yeah, that's why I haven't really been doing anything. That's why I figured I make some Subaru content, not so taxing on my body, and figured people might like it. So if you do like it, let me know. Leave a comment, like the video, something. I don't care. Just let me know whether you like it or not. Yeah, other than that, I'm trying to break out the mountain bike. It's been collecting dust, and my Harley that's been collecting dust. Hopefully a couple videos on that. Don't mind the messy garage. That's more than half of that stuff isn't even mine. But yeah, gotta wait. What's up, Mar? Oh, what's up? Come here. Come here. Sit. Who's a good girl, huh? She's chilling. All right. It's time to wash this out. Go to Le Rock and wash this out real quick. All right. Gotta let this thing dry. And then put that oil on. And we're almost done. Woo. See if this thing's dry. Oh no, it's not dry. Definitely not dry. Get it all nice and red. Didn't really put much. Just enough. Just enough. Just enough. Oh, I like the filter. Just enough. Singing to the camera. Gotta let that dry for another 20. And then see if I need to touch it up or not. All right, got this oiled up. Let's put this shit on. Phew. Alright, so before my GoPro dies, took it out, cleaned it, oiled it, all good. Alright, I think next up is a brake job with tuna no crust. So stay tuned for that, and possibly a drive tomorrow morning. So yeah, thank you. See you guys soon. Till next time.